Not all growth feels dramatic. We are often conditioned to look for the sudden breakthrough, the visible leap forward. But so much of our development happens in the quiet spaces between the milestones. It's a gentle, almost imperceptible unfolding, like the slow walk down a familiar path where the light shifts in ways you only notice if you're truly paying attention. There are seasons when, on the surface, life looks entirely unchanged. The daily routines feel the same, the scenery familiar. Yet, internally, something profoundly important is developing. This is the season for cultivating patience, not as passive waiting, but as an active trust in the process. It's where we learn restraint, the quiet power of not reacting, of holding space for things to settle. This is where maturity deepens and perspective is gained. Invisible growth often lasts longer precisely because it is forming quietly, deeply, beneath the surface of daily life. Like a root system expanding in the dark, it is building a foundation strong enough to support the blossom when it is finally time to emerge. This unseen work is the most crucial part of the entire structure, anchoring us for the storms we cannot yet see. These still seasons contain the most potent hidden formation. They are not empty. They are full of potential, gathering strength and clarity. It's in the stillness that we integrate our experiences, allowing lessons to settle into wisdom. The world may not see any change, but you can feel the shift within. A new resilience is being forged in the quiet, a deeper understanding of your own landscape. So, respect the slow seasons. Honor the periods of quiet incubation. Do not mistake stillness for stagnation. This is the sacred, necessary work of becoming. It doesn't ask for applause. It only asks for your trust and your presence. Allow yourself to simply be, knowing that the most enduring strength is often built in silence, one invisible layer at a time.
Inspire yourself. Follow for daily motivation.